Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up for a Burger King account. Open the website bk.com, then click sign up. Now, enter your first name and the email address you wish to use. After entering, click on the tick box beside I agree to the following: privacy policy, rewards terms, terms of service, to confirm that you have read and agree to the said policy and terms. Then if you want to receive alerts from Burger King, click on the tick box beside I want to receive special offers and other information from Burger King via email. After that, click on the Create an Account button. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for a Burger King account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.